It's Shay. Look, I know we're tired of the drama. I don't know about you guys, but your girl is tired of the drama. I don't even want to talk about the Shopkick issue no more. You know, I deleted, the app is deleted, the account is deleted, and I'm going to move on. So, I will not be sharing any Shopkick deals in the future. So listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure you post on vacation as well. I just left the gym. The gym was actually easy today because it was like almost nobody in there, and I was like, I love it when the gym is empty. Like Sundays is always the best day to go, but today it was actually pretty empty for a Saturday, and so we're here for Walmart. Now I will be sharing, I think, like 3 or 4 deals that I did at Target. But you know what? To be honest, y'all, I have 3 bonuses. And I honestly feel like the deals are not there. Like, I almost didn't even do a video today. I'm not even gonna lie, because I was just like, the deals are not dealing. You know, I don't know if it's because we just, you know, got past the holidays and stuff, and so I'm hoping that things will eventually pick up. But I have 3 bonuses. I have my weekend cash dash. For that I need 15 for $3. Yes, I doubt that I'm gonna hit that. I'm not even gonna try, to be honest with y'all. I also have a $5 resolution boost, and for that I need 20 offers. And then last but not least, I have the snow much savings, and for that I need 50 offers for 10. And so today, I don't even know what I'm going to do, y'all. I'm going to share the deals that I came up with. I don't know if I'll do any of them. I'm just being straight honest with y'all. Like, I'm not trying to overspend at all for $3. And so, with that being said, I'm trying to think, is there anything I wanted to add that's an update for y'all? Nothing. You know what? Let me check Flavor Wiki and see if they have any new offers, because all we've been getting on Flavor Wiki is chips. I'm so chipped the hell out, y'all. I'm chipped. Flavor Wiki, hey boo. I'm chipped the hell out. I can't do no more chips. I can't, but I probably will anyways. But Flavor Wiki has been paying out a lot faster. I've noticed, like, I was so late on doing the last set of chips. I finished them the day before and I got paid the next day. So it is moving a lot faster, which is good, because as y'all know, a lot of us are just impatient. I know I can speak for myself. I'm pretty impatient. I think a lot of it is when we have apps that pay really quick, you expect that across the board, and it's not going to always happen across the board. But it does make you, it does spoil you, and make you expect things to pay out, you know, ASAP. I don't have anything on here right now. But yeah, so other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. This is the only little refrigerator that I see these in. I've checked like all of the checkout fridges. I'm gonna check the aisle and see if I can find more. They're on rollback for $1.50, getting back $1 on Ibotta. I only see 3 here, but I'm gonna see if I can find a couple more so I can go ahead and max this deal out. So next up is the Culture Pop soda. It's priced at $1.88. I didn't care for this. I tried this one already. I didn't like it. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. And so they're priced at $1.88, getting back $1 on Ibotta makes it 88 cents. You might still have an offer for aisles, making this a nice money maker. I believe there might still be an offer on Fetch Reward as well, which would then make it a money maker. Are really, really cheap. And so, all right, so I'm finishing off my chip surveys for Flavor Wiki. I did happen to find the Kroger brand nacho chips at Food for Less. They were $1.99, and I was able to do 3 bags of those. So those ended up being like a total moneymaker for all of them. And so I'm going to finish up some deals here. For this, I need to do the restaurant style tortilla chips. Are priced at $1.98, and for that you're getting back $3.67 on Flavor Wiki, makes it $1.69. There's also an offer for the regular ones down here. They are priced, is it these? I don't remember which ones I got. I got the regular ones. I think it's these right here though. They're priced at $150 on rollback. Getting back $3.70 on flavor. Wiki makes it a $1.20 money maker. The last one is on the barbecue chips, which are priced at $1.50. Getting back $3.67, so it makes it a $2.17 money maker. Okay, really quick. So I did happen to use the rest of my $4 Pepsi coupons like on the last day, and I did the same deal that I've been doing. 4 bags of chips and a 2-liter. Total is $3.96. Coupon takes off $3.96. And made them all free. And I used my last 3 coupons. Now we do have another coupon on coupon.com. It's for $3 when you buy 5. I haven't actually tried it yet. I think I saw Danielle. She said she tried it and it didn't work for her. So, and I totally forgot to print it this morning before I left to see if it would work on 5 of these. And so hopefully I can try it next time I come. Why? I was at Aldi yesterday, y'all. $39 for a 60 count. I usually buy the 60 count because I just feel like it lasts me forever. But why are eggs freaking $37? $36, y'all. That's crazy. I don't get it. I don't get it. And the last 60 count that I bought from Aldi was $19. And now $39. It's $39 over there. It's so crazy. I don't get it. I mean, I guess I do get it. I guess it's a bird flu situation or something like that. But anyways, how much are eggs where you're at? So this next deal is on the Belgian Boys. This is located by the bacon and that's breakfast sausage and stuff. So this offer popped up on Social Nature and I did one of them and literally freaking lost track of whatever the hell I was doing and forgot to go back and do the other one. But there's one for this one up here, the breakfast all day waffle thingies, and then there's one for this one here. This is the one that I did. It's priced at $4.98. Getting that back makes it absolutely free. And I'm so mad that I forgot to do that one up there because I would have loved to have them both. There's not a whole lot left. But this deal is on the Febreze small spaces. I don't see any of the single counts. But definitely make sure to check your stores because a lot of them are on clearance. Like a lot of the stuff over here is on clearance. But they're priced at $3.42. Getting back $2.30 on Ibotta makes it $1.12. Now I did find, let me see. I did find some on clearance. Hold on, really quick. Oh wait, this is the one. I think this is the one that's $2.50. It's the Breeze one. Yeah, this one's $2.50. Yeah, this one's $2.50. They have 2 of them. Let me just show you the UPC in case you want to check your area. I can scan it from the phone actually and see if you have it on clearance in your store, but here it's $2.50. But I found, which one did I find? I found this one. The single can is $1.50. I only found one for $1.50, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Now, I also found one of these, and this one was all right for $2.50. Getting back $2 on checkoff 51 makes it only 50 cents. So I'm gonna definitely grab it. I think the limit is 1, otherwise I would get more than, well, hell, I don't see more than this, so I guess we're just gonna grab the one for 50 cents. This is the Dawn Power Wash. So there's an offer on Ibotta for $2 back. Now, I scanned this one. It didn't work on this one for the refill, but it did scan for this one. Price of $4.14, getting back $2 makes that $2.14. Of course, you can always buy the spray. They have this one here. These are priced at $4.94. Getting back to it, make those $2.94. Next up is the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. It's on the 2 count, which is priced at $3.24. Getting back $2 on Ibotta would make that $1.24. So this next deal is on the Gain Scent Boosters. They are priced at $4.94. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta brings it down to $2.44. And there's also an offer on the Unstoppables as well, which is also priced at $4.94. Getting back $2.50 would make that also $2.44. Right, next up is the Downy. Well, it's the Downy Rinse and Refresh at $4.47. And then there's also one for, well, the same offer is also on the Tide. Getting back $2.50, so it'd make them $1.97 each. We have new offers on Ibotta for all. We also have Persil and we have Snuggle. Softener sheets are priced at $3.50.
74 cents, and there is this $2 hang tag. I'm hoping that, well, it's been working, so hopefully it does. You'll pay $1.74, getting back $1, making that 74 cents. The Mighty Packs are priced at $4.47. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.47, getting back $1 on a bottle, make that $1.47. And then there's offers for each of these. They're priced at $5.22 after the $2 coupon. I believe there might still be a 4 off of 2 coupon on coupons.com as well. But you would pay $3.22, getting back $1 would make them $2.22 each. And then we have Persil. This is the store that doesn't have the Ultra Packs. And so the Ultra Packs are priced at $5.44. $2 hang tag right here, which would bring the total down to $3.44, getting back $1 on it, but I make it $2.44. There's also an offer for the liquid as well, priced also at $5.44. $2 coupon, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta would make that $1.94. Next up is the Colgate toothbrushes. Now, make sure you scan them because the only one that's working for the $4 offer is the foaming clean one. All right. I thought there was one on the app that, well, there was one on the app that looks exactly like it, but it's not working. It's working for the $2 offer. So you want the one that's up here. I personally scanned the medium one right here, and that one is working. So you'll pay $5.22, get back $4, makes it $1.22. I thought about doing this on Walmart Rewards as well, but I don't really want to do multiple transactions if I really don't have to. And then there's another offer on there for, it's a double pack one. I believe it's a charcoal toothbrush. It's not this one right here. They don't carry it at this store, but that one is priced at $9.42, getting back $6 would make that $3.42 for a double pack, or $1.71 per brush. All right, so the next deal is on the Colgate Total mouthwash. It's priced at $5.22. The offer for this is $2, so it'd make that $3.22 if that's something that you need. I don't need it, not for the price. And then the same offer, well, no, there's a different offer, for toothpaste, and it works on the Max Fresh. So these are priced at $3.74. Getting back $2 would make those $1.74. Now I did try scanning these up here. Neither one of those scanned for me though. This last deal I'm gonna do is on the little critters. And well, the little critters are, well, they're both little critters, but they have the Paw Patrol ones and then they have the regular ones here. They're priced at $5.23. For this, getting back $3.50 on checkout 51. There's also $1 on $1 on Ibotta, so it brings that down to only 73 cents. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. As you can see, I did not do a lot. Like, excuse my little clicker over there to the left, clicking away. I didn't do much. Like, I think I only got like 6 of my offers for the weekend. And I probably could have mustered, no, let me stop lying. I couldn't have mustered nothing up because ain't nothing going on. And I already told you, I'm not trying to overspend for it. And so I was able to make money off the chip deals, which is really cool. And so that's the only reason why this was a moneymaker. Now, I did realize that there was an offer on the sister apps for the Glade. I did submit for that. It's in review. I'm not counting that though, because lately it's been a little hit and miss whether or not I get that offer once it's been submitted on checkout 51. And so I won't be counting that, but I'll let you guys know by way of putting a comment if it goes through or not, but it is in review. And I wanted to mention something too, I've noticed, because a lot of you guys have mentioned this to me and I've never had it happen to me. But on the sister apps, when something goes into review for like, let's say 9 or 10 days, and then it just goes away and pops off, it's not in your activity or nothing. I had that happen twice recently, where I'm watching it to see if it's going to get approved or not, and dead ass disappears. And so, yeah, that has been happening to me. The first time it happened, I put a ticket in with, I think it was My Points, and I had a screenshot, so it was good for me that I had a screenshot, and they were able to credit me. The second one, I put a ticket in on, I think it was Swagbucks. I haven't heard back from them yet, and so, yeah, that did happen for me. All right. And so yeah, I'll let you know how that works out. I want to try these right here so freaking bad. I want to try these so bad. My gritty butt probably gonna eat them as soon as this video is done. I'm at 360 calories. This is a meal. This is breakfast. Only 4 grams of protein, but I want to eat this so bad. We've been getting so many. I'm so over chips. I gave all my chips to my sister except the small bags. I kept the small bags, but all of the other chips, all of the cookies, I gave to her. All the mac and cheese that I still had, I'm all chipped out. I haven't opened up those bags because I already had a bag open. I'm not going to open bags just to do a survey when I already have a bag that's open. And so that's kind of how I do Flavor Wiki. And so other than that, everything that you see here retails $65.76. Now, when I went to Target, I think I did go on my birthday. I got a little discount of 98 cents. So I did include that. And so the coupons came to $12.86. So my out-of-pocket for everything you see here was $52.90. And then we walk away with $43.25 from Flavor Wiki, which I have been paid out for everything, you guys, which is I'm so happy that it's going faster with them. And then Social Nature is $11.96. Ibotta is $10. Checkout 51 was $5.50. And last one not least was Isles at $3.99. Isles was just the mac and cheese. And for that, it has to be gluten-free. I messed up twice, y'all, and got the wrong one twice. Yeah. And so it has to be the gluten-free one for that. And so we walk away with a total of $74.70 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $21.80 moneymaker, which is really awesome considering the deals are not dealing. And I know that I probably could have, you know, used a lot of that moneymaker to do more deals, but I just didn't want to. I didn't even go front. I didn't want to. And so, other than that, if you make it to the end, we really, really appreciate you watching. What's our emoji bug? What did I say? Chips. But when I put in chips, it popped up fries. So chips and sodas in the comments if you make it to the end. Let me know what you guys are the deals dealing for y'all? Cause they just not dealing for me. I mean, I guess I could use a break with it being after the holidays and stuff, and with the stress of shop kick, I guess I could use a break. And so, other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.